If Microsoft Edge is showing error 429, don't worry. This usually means too many requests have been sent in a short amount of time, and in many cases it can be fixed with a few simple steps. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix Microsoft Edge error 429 quickly and safely so you can get back to browsing without the frustration. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you should try is the simplest one. Wait for a while and try again later. Error 429 is often temporary, so if you've been refreshing a page a lot or opening the same site repeatedly, the server may just need time to reset your access. Give it a few minutes, or even longer if needed, and then reload the page to see if the error clears on its own. If the issue is still there after waiting, the next step is to clear your browsing data in Microsoft Edge. To do that, open Edge, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, find Privacy, Search and Services, then look for the option to clear browsing data. Click Choose what to clear, then select Cookies and Cached Files. These are often the cause of stubborn browser issues because old site data can trigger repeated requests or bad session behavior. Once you've selected Cookies and Cache, make sure the time range is set appropriately and then click Clear Now. After that process finishes, close and reopen Microsoft Edge, then try the website again and see if the 429 error is gone. If you're still getting the same issue, the final step is to check your extensions. Sometimes an extension can repeatedly refresh a page, interfere with requests, or cause the browser to send too many actions in the background. To test this, go to the Extensions page in Edge. You can do this by clicking the menu, choosing Extensions, and then managing your installed add-ons. Once you're there, toggle off all extensions temporarily. This lets you check whether one of them is causing the problem. After disabling them, go back to the site that was showing the error and test it again. If the page loads normally, you can turn your extensions back on one by one until you find the one causing the issue. That way, you can identify the problem without removing everything permanently. So to quickly recap, if you see Microsoft Edge error 429, first wait and try again later, then clear your cookies and cache, and finally disable all extensions to check for conflicts. In most cases, one of those steps will solve it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.